केंद्र सरकारान जनावरांच्या कत्तल करपाचेर बंदी घाल्ली, मात गोंय सरकारान हाचेर कांयच पावलां उखल्लेली ना। मात बिफाच्या विशयात सरकार राजकारण करता। लोकशाही राज्यांत जण एकल्याक खावपाची उलोवपाची मेकळीक आसा। सरकार ताचेर नियंत्रण हाडपाक शकना। जाती कातीचेर भेदभाव करपाक जायना। जनतेक मोकळीक आसा कितें खावप आनी कितें खावप ना ताचेर। सरकाराक मदीं पडपाचो हक्क ना म्हण काँग्रेसीचो म्हणण्यारो यतीश नायक उलयला। RDX Squad Bureau.
Central government got a notification through the Ministry of Environment. They have sought to incorporate some rules under the Environment Protection Act. Under those rules, they have tried to ban the sale of cattle for the purpose of slaughter. Has Goa government opposed it? Has Goa government opposed it? Please understand, beef is a matter of cuisine of a section of a population in Goa and in the country. We are in a democracy. In a democracy, everybody has a choice to eat what he wants or she wants, to dress what he or she wants, and to speak whatever language he or she wants. A government cannot dictate terms on what a person should eat. That is not democratic. I don't understand how Chief Minister says, I'm not aware, and his own minister at the center, Minister of State, he says that there is an anxiety amongst the people. It's an issue. It's a part of people's, some section of people, it's a part of their cuisine. You cannot behave autocratically. Congress believes that every person, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, everything, should be granted equal opportunity, equal status, as we believe in the principle of equality for all. There should be no discrimination whatsoever on these counts, because it is unconstitutional. Now, as far as beef is concerned, in Goa, there is a sizable Christian population, Muslim population also. We have taken this stand consistently that please don't force eating habits and other habits on the people, because this is democracy. If somebody wants to eat beef, somebody wants to eat chicken, somebody wants to eat vegetables, or somebody wants to eat fish, it is a matter of personal choice. Governments should not interfere in these things, and Congress party has been very, very clear on these things.